Hey Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back again with another try on haul video with my favorites, hot Miami style. So if you want to see what it is that I picked up, girl, stay tuned.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen?
Dolls, so get into this look. Now I am all about summer colors and summer style, and as you can see here, I am rocking these reflective shades with this bright green, very stretchy and comfortable front zip bathing suit. Now let's start with the glasses. These glasses are highly reflective, as you can see in the video, and I absolutely adore how they feel. It's like a soft matte touch to the feel, but these glasses definitely serve sex appeal. They are kind of mysterious as far as how they hide your eyes, but hey, I know I'm not the only person who loves to people watch at the pool, so these glasses will allow you to do just that while looking cute. Now, as you can see again with this bathing suit, it is so bright you can barely see it on film, but it's like a true neon hue. There you go. It is so pretty, it is so tight, it is so comfortable, but the material is thick and stretchy and it feels really good on. I love the high back. I think it is very flattering for any full figure or curvy shape. Okay, now this right here, I probably like this better than the green. And what I'm talking about is the bathing suit. Also these glasses too. These glasses are very chic. I think they are so pretty how they're gradient. So they're really dark on the top. Again, hiding your eyes. You can people watch that cutie from across the way, and then they kind of fade as they go down. But I love the wide sides, and then I also love the Taurus color. Okay, now as you can see with this bathing suit, it is a little low in the back, but it's still flattering, and I really do love this denim detail with the lace up front. Now, this is a cover up, and it is so Rihanna, y'all. You couldn't tell me I wasn't bad gal herself. Hello. But I think it is so pretty. Just look how it catches the light, y'all. Now, I would probably wear this with like a bikini or a two-piece, but regardless, I wanted to pair it with this bathing suit, and it just shines and shimmers, and it really makes you stand out like a diva and sets the bathing suit glam mood. Now this you can also rock as a cover up. This is one size fits all. It is so pretty, y'all. This color just does not pick up on camera. It is a pretty purple and a very bright teal hue. I am in love with the detail, as you can see here, with the gold detail and all of these little gems and little rhinestones. So I'm serving all of this vibe as far as sex appeal and glam. I wanted to show you the detail right there with the little bead. Everything is blinged out and beautiful, even on the back. So I'm just showing you the back here, and it works really well without a bra because you can tighten it as you need. Now again, I am in love with anything shimmery, anything shiny. So I saw this dress and definitely had to try it. This is a faux wrap dress. So it's not actually going to unwrap, although it is a true tie. I love the material. The material is stretchy, but it also holds you in. Now, this, I wish it was available in a larger size, although I still am going to rock this and make it work. The back lining is there, so it's not see-through because this is knit and it's kind of see-through, and I definitely would recommend pasties or something along the lines because it is see-through, but it's totally sexy without showing too much, and I would totally recommend it. Okay, next I had to pick up this two-piece jumpsuit. Now I think it is so adorable because of the colors. I love pink. I love this blue, and together it really pops. It's kind of a skinny bottom, and I do like the material. It is somewhat stretchy. I think it's really warm for the summer, but if you live somewhere like on the West Coast where it's cooler at night, this would be a perfect outfit for you. You can just wrap the top around your waist and then put the jacket on when you need. Again, it's a two-piece, it zips up, it has stretch to it, and it's really complimentary, I would think, on any skin tone. Okay, and again with the summer vibe, I'm giving y'all all the feels, honey. This is straight beach goddess. This is straight Miami flow. This is sex appeal, thighs out, stomach out. Honey, you can't tell me nothing. And it's so stretchy and so comfortable and so glam. So this top is seriously just a long piece of fabric. I double knotted it and tied it in the front so you can kind of play with it however you want it to fit. And all in all, I really recommend this look. It is so sexy and timeless, and will definitely have the heads turning in your direction.
Okay, Diva Dolls, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed my video. You know, I have a few other video hauls with Hot Miami styles. So even though it's not a plus size store, they are curvy friendly. Whenever I shop, I try to find the styles that have a good amount of stretch and that seem to be flexible for a curvy woman like myself and yourself watching this. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do. And my name is @CRYSTALCHANEL. Now, you dolls, I've been doing this for a while. I really want to thank you for your support. If you don't already subscribe to this channel, girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? Just go ahead and smash that subscribe button while you're at it. Be sure to hit that bell for the notifications. Just know that I do, again, recommend Hot Miami styles. If you've shopped these looks before, leave a comment down below. Let everybody know how the experience was, and also let me know in this video which looks were your favorite. Be sure to share this video with a friend, and that is it. Again, thank you dolls so much for your support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.